Lesson 1.4, Part 2. Let's take a look at planes. Now we have we already have the idea of half lines and rays and opposite rays. The subsets for planes are very similar. Let's take a look at this plane P. We have a line on plane P, and remember this line travels continuously. The subset of a plane consisting of all of the points on a given side of a line in the plane is called the half plane. So we often will name the half plane with a name. So in this drawing they have the half planes named half plane H1 and H2. Half plane H1 is on the left side of plane P, and half line H2 is on the right side of plane P, and they are being divided by line M. Line M is actually referred to as the half plane's edge. The line M separates the plane into the two half planes. When you have two half planes, they are opposite half planes when they're separated by that common edge, which is line M. So H1 is opposite H2. The plane separation postulate. Every line in a plane divides the plane into three disjoint sets: the line itself and two half planes. This should be starting to sound very familiar now. So line M divides plane P into two half planes. They are three disjoint sets. If points A and B are in the same half plane, let's take a look at them. So is the segment AB joining them. So if I'll make the attempt to do this, if we join together point A and point B, the line segment that's created lies on the half plane H1. If points A and C are connected or joined, then they actually intersect with line M, or the edge of the plane, or half plane, sorry. So they intersect with line M, the edge of the half plane. Let's go on with the subsets of planes. The union of two distinct rays with a common endpoint. In this case, we've got ray BA and ray BC with a common endpoint, point B. When those two rays are in union, they create an angle. The angle has sides, and those are the actual rays that we named. So we have side BA and we have side BC. Point B can also be called the vertex of the angle. It's the common endpoint of the rays. Each line containing a side of an angle divides the plane into two half planes. AB is the edge for a half plane that contains C, and BC is the edge for a half plane that contains A. This is a lot to absorb. Take it slowly. Read your notes.